Why can't I wear it? Oh.
Right, that's one prepper way station.
No, I guess not.
2 to go.
Dunno. Stop dropping things.
Weapons restrictions lifted.
Let's bring this back to him quick.
Come on. Keep it together. Beginning scan. Scanning bridges ID. Verifying ID. Clear. Weapons detected. All weapons will be locked until departure. Cargo verified. Thank you. Delivering cargo.
Oh, hey. Good to see you. You've done more for us than we had any right to ask. Don't think we don't know that.
Okay. You're saying okay? He's so tired, he wants to go to bed.
Thanks. Until next time.
Okay.
Good work. New order available. Please access delivery terminal for further information.
See you again soon.
Weapons restrictions lifted.
Oh. Almost. I'm not even going the right way. Oh, boy. Oh. This is pretty convenient. I don't know why I've never used these before. What? Okay, so there's a bunch. Oh. There's a sensor right there. Oh. Oof.
God damn it.
Are you finally awake? Sure. You know, I'd rather fight BTs than the mules, and I think I'm going to. Here comes the beautiful rainbow.
Oh,
Oh,
it's toppled over.
it's too stumbly here. I have really bad luck with rivers so far. I get very stressed when I'm near one. Oh my god. Oh my god. No! No, my things! Okay. This is not great. I need to never cross the river again. That would be wonderful. I can't use my ladder. Please. Huh? Oh, that's only like halfway through. We'll see. I missed a package. Oh, I don't care about that. I'm drinking more Monster. Okay, let's try it. Rivers are scary in this. They're like too powerful. Whoa! He's happy. Hey. Do you mind? Peep. Shh. Shh. What are you doing? I'm trying to play a game. Gogi, exactly. No! Another much more treacherous river. I don't know if I can cross this. Is there a smaller? Maybe here. Oh no, I have one. Thank you. Well, that's more dangerous, actually. Oh boy. Horrible. I wish I brought more than one ladder now. Oh. Do they see me? Oh. Yep. Oh boy. Now pause. Now pause. What? Now pause. Oh. Hi. Hello. 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 Guys, I figured out rivers! Yay! Okay, now I gotta go back up this way, I think? Oh, auto paver. There he is. Hi! Hello. Hello.
God damn it. There we go.
Hello?
Beginning scan. Scanning bridges ID. Fragile Express ID verified. Weapons detected. All weapons will be locked until departure.
Oh, he's playing peekaboo with you. Okay. Slam into the wall. Okay, I'm probably gonna do the last delivery and maybe get off for the night because it's been 2 hours now. Probably an hour and a half by the time I get back to, or another half hour by the time I get back. Peekaboo.
You're not with Fragile Express, are you? Oh, I get it. Bridget is using their IDs to complete the delivery. Well, good work, son. I'll take that off your hands. Package looks... brand new. Wow. Been a while since I've seen cargo.
I did smash it into the wall of your building, though.
Thank you kindly. I know it couldn't have been easy.
Like, right in front of you. Peekaboo. I keep my balance more easy. That's good.
Everyone knows Fragile was behind the attack that wiped out Middlemont City. Only a damn fool would trust that terrorist to deliver shit now. But here you are, filling in. Keeping her business alive for her, am I right? I swear. Can't trust anyone these days. Don't try sweet-talking me onto your little network.
Aw, come on.
You know why there's been so many terrorist attacks recently?
Why?
Because you all pissed them off with your talk of reuniting the country.
Aw.
Join the ECA. I may as well paint a bullseye on my shelter. Just keep my deliveries coming. We'll get along just fine. I don't need any trouble. Though
You're
I
so
will say,
grumpy.
I appreciate these hematic grenades of yours. Quality work, gotta admit. Not the sort of equipment the UCA ought to keep to itself. There's a lot of freelance porters operating in these parts, after all. If I could churn these out by the boatload, gear up those folks. Now you're good people. I can see that. And you brought my order like I asked. But it'll take more than that for me to agree to what you're asking. Chiral Network is a big step. But if you could prove to me Bridges is an organization I can trust... Well, how about this? Do another run for me. I'll put the details on the terminal there.
Okay.
Good work. New order available. Please access delivery terminal for further information.
He woke up from a nap and now he just wants to play. Come here. No, you're gonna go upside down. Will you sing? Stinky? Marbles, marbles, marbles. Marbles, marbles, marbles. Eagle? Will you play bop? He's a little button. Okay, get out of here. Get out of my sight. Get! I'm just kidding. You can come back if you want. I'm gonna do from craftsman to craftsman. Is that where I'm going? Oh no, that's far away. That's in BT territory. I'm gonna do this last delivery I have and then I'm gonna get off, so one more delivery. Through all the mules, I believe. What? There we go. Okay. Hi, Stinky.
Weapons restrictions lifted.
I should switch my boots if I have spare boots. Excuse me? No, I didn't mean to do that. Oh boy. Okay, well maybe I can just avoid them.
Whoa.
Oh! Almost right into the river. It's another road paver. Can't wait until there's a road.
Steady.
The old man lives in the mountains? What's wrong with him? I wish I brought ladders. Eh. Ooh. Can I climb up here? This old man lives in the worst area. It's like BT's around, stormy, top of a mountain. Crazy guy.
Beginning scan. Scanning bridges ID. Fragile Express ID verified. Weapons detected. All weapons will be locked until departure. Cargo verified. Thank you.
Okay.
Delivering cargo.
I've been expecting you. You are my lifeline. I've only managed to get this far thanks to porters, and you don't ask for anything in return. You have my gratitude. Let's see how's the package. Not bad. Thanks.
Oh no! I didn't get S rank.
So you're here on behalf of Fragile Express? Please tell me you put the terrorists behind you. When Fragile, the daughter of the founder, started associating with other couriers, things started getting scary around here. Rumors say that she caused the explosion at Middle Knot City, and there's a part of me that believes it. Of course, she could be just another one of their victims. Are you connecting the chiral network?
Sure am.
I don't mind a contract with Bridges, but I'm not going to join the UCA. Go ahead if you're fine with that.
Okay.
Maybe you already heard it from Fragile, but preppers who don't want to be a part of the UCA can still sign a contract with Bridges to join the network. They get to use our delivery services and other basic Cairo network infrastructure, much like our full members. Similarly, you'll be able to use their Cairo printing facilities to replenish your supplies.
I need
They
ladders.
are not, however, obligated to exchange data with us. So don't expect them to share intel or help with the development of new tech. In an ideal world, everyone would be a part of the UCA, of course. But failing that, we want everyone to at least be a part of the network. They can always change their minds after the fact. The Cupid will interface differently with the terminal depending on the type of contract. So connect your Cupid to confirm.
Okay. Okay, well at least I can see the area now. That's not so bad.
The company just got too big. In times like these, we should all keep it close and tight. That goes for couriers, too. Otherwise, we'll just make the same mistakes. Republics, federations, coalitions, states. Connecting all kinds of people together. It's just asking for trouble.
Oh, grumpy old man.
Sorry. It's been a while since I last talked to anyone.
You're crazy.
Travel safe. See you around, then.
Good work. available. Please access delivery terminal for further information.
Oh, there.
Doesn't the guy at that last shelter have a special request?
Yes. So I have to go do the other request tomorrow or whenever I stream again. But that's all for tonight. Bye.